Type your text. Go to Object. Rasterize. You can keep the settings like this. Go to Object. Create Object Mosaic. I use a width of 55 tiles. Select the height. And select Use Ratio. Ungroup the tiles. Select the magic wand. Remove the white background twice. Use the selection tool to select the entire text. You can pick a color for the tiles now. You can now remove tiles to make the text look good. You can also add tiles. Select one or more tiles, press Alt and drag them into place to duplicate the tiles. Select one tile. And zoom in. Go to Select. Start Global Edit. Turn the square into a rectangle. Select the Direct Selection tool. Select both the top corners of the rectangle and make them round. Select the Selection tool and rotate the shape 45 degrees. Go to Edit. Copy. Go to Edit. Paste in front. Rotate this shape in the other direction. Move this shape to create the heart. Select both the shapes and make the heart smaller. And that's how you create a heart-shaped pattern. Check the link in the description for more Illustrator tutorials.